So I was torn between testing either the B5 or the B8. And then I remembered, I did test the Patrol last year. So at least may benchmark tayo on full-size SUVs like these. So is it any good? Let's find out. Before we test this, one last thing to check. Since this is a PHEV, yun natin kung dito yung plugs niya sa ano ko yan. Dito ba yung plug niya? Or dito yung gas tank?
Gas tank.
So this is the gas tank pala. We need to check kung anong klaseng plug siya. Is it a CCS or the Chinese plugs, the GBT? Uy, CCS. Nice. That's a green flag for me.
But okay, for summary regarding for the specs, so like I said earlier, so this is a 600 horsepower. Regarding for the torque, we have this 760. Then it's the all-wheel drive. So 0 to 100, it's 4.8 seconds.
Wow. Not even a Patrol can match that.
Yeah.
Sa power figures pa lang, parang 200 horsepower na yung difference eh.
Yes. Then
Grabe.
regarding for the pure electric car, you have at least 100 kilometer range just for the pure EV. But if you're going to combine it, that electric to gasoline, you have 1,040 kilometer range.
Mataas na. How big is the battery dito? Mga
We have
30
this
plus?
at 36.8.
36.8. Malaki
Kilowatt.
din. And this is where you switch it from hybrid to EV.
Yes, correct. Same with the Shark concept. We have this switch.
Starter and then
Correct.
this
Just-
goes down and up pag ano no. Pag
Correct.
pinatay yung sasakyan.
Correct.
So drive modes, what do we have?
So we have a mod son. So all of the trail pero dyan. So as of now, I
Bro, may
suggest for
pitch
intelligence.
and roll angle pa.
Yes, complete tire.
And we are on standard height,
Correct.
normal wheels. So this is all the drive modes. Meron pang weight.
Yes. So I tried in China. So we have this obstacle. So I think 700 meters deep yung kaya niya.
High enough.
Yes. But as of now, hindi siya pa.
Oh.
So
So,
intelligent. So I suggest for intelligent.
oh. U-turn is
Okay, the U-turn that's the Leopard U-turn, but I think I don't suggest to do it here.
ayo kasi patag eh.
Yes.
It needs to be loose
Tsaka,
surface.
Yeah, correct.
So para siya yung sa Bronco and Land Cruiser na it
Na-imbes na
parang
ganon, it's
kinakagat
gonna
niya
be
yung inner
correct.
wheel.
Correct.
So it's like tank turn ganon.
Yes.
It's nice. Ang dami niyang modes talaga
Yeah,
no?
marami siya.
So we leave it in intelligent kasi
Yeah.
sa daan lang naman tayo eh. We
Correct,
don't really need off-road
But
modes.
try it. Kung ano yung gusto mong preferred drive, just do it, sir.
Mm.
Now you can feel it the V8.
How do you know if it's in HEV or EV?
Okay, so we have this light. Like just go to the drive first. Just press the brake. Then go to the drive.
Oh, there.
Okay, that's the
HEV. Okay.
But the most powerful I suggest for HEV. So, comparison mo na lang for EV and HEV.
Ay, might as
So,
well.
try the
ano.
EV first.
Sige. Habang
Okay.
dito tayo. Let's get the feel for it. Where do we go? Left or right?
Right? No? Right.
Right. Signs na luxury car ang isang kotse. Even the seat adjusters move smoothly.
Yes.
Hindi yung kada adjust mo na ganun, you jerk a little bit.
Mm.
So pag intelligent, ano na din yun sa setting ng suspension siya na din nagde-decide
Yes,
which
pwede
one's
din
most
nag-a-adjust.
comfy.
Yes.
Okay.
Pwede nag-a-adjust. Like, basically, though adjustable yung DCSP natin, but for the intelligent, it's automatically na din siya. So that's the advantage of the V8.
Land Cruiser use hydraulics,
Yes. But for
Patrol
this,
uses air.
no,
Tapos
it's a hydraulic.
ito hydraulic
It's
eh.
a hydraulic.
But at least it's height adjustable.
Yes. So we have this camping leveling, then we have this offload capacity na pwede niya i-adjust din yung hydraulic natin.
For a car this size, malaking tulong talaga yung 360 camera.
Yes.
No, the boxy size of yung boxy shape nito rather helps pagdating sa positioning ng sasakyan eh.
Yes.
Not really that hard to drive. Yun nga lang talaga kung napadpad ka sa iskinita, GG ka.
But
Pero all things considered, pag nandito ka lang naman sa open road, ay madali naman
with
side
the
position.
360 camera, yun talaga yung magiging ano mo.
Oh, yun ang magiging best friend mo for tight spaces. But here, parang patrol lang din na
So for
very easy to judge where the front end is.
Mag-U-turn ba tayo, sir? Or turn right? Sa dulo, then turn right. Sa may Ross Boulevard tayo.
Oo.
Okay.
The usual route. Tapos
Yun.
dun sa likod, no?
Yes. Kung gusto mo humataw siya, I suggest for HEV.
Okay, so far sa ride quality department, parang on par lang talaga siya. Nasa pero yun nga, a patrol never, or a Land Cruiser can never accelerate like that. Ay, wala pang half throttle yun
Wala pa. Saka ano pa yan, EV pa lang yan.
Oo. Sige, let's switch to HEV na ngayon para ready na mamaya. Andito pala yung road drive modes niya.
Yes.
So, Eco, Normal, and then there's Sport. I like how kada palit mo ng drive mode, may tunog pa talaga eh.
May sound effect siya.
It's like saying, "Oy, you're in sport mode, ah." So it's the thing with cars na ganito yung chassis, yung body on frame, you really sit on top. Sa mararamdaman mo parang nakaupo ka sa bubong.
Correct.
You can see everything. Pati yung turn signal sound niya ang quirky Ito, test of comfort niya. Nice. You don't get jostled around kahit na body on frame yung
Bouncy siya.
ano.
Siya yung parang tagtag na sobrang step.
Yes. I like that.
Actually, kahit sa Hamsa, huwag mo siya i-brake masyado eh.
Saka weirdly enough, this doesn't have the usual problem that BYDs have na overly light yung steering eh. Ito may weight siya eh.
Yes.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah, go.
Sige, wala pa namang kotse sa likod natin. Let's do it from a dig. Jesus Christ. A Land Cruiser and Patrol can never do that kind of speed. Ever. Siguro kung tunado sila. But bone stock. This wins. Ang bilis. That was seriously rapid. Balik na natin sa sa Eco.
If you're going to purchase or to buy, you have this 7 kilowatt wall charger.
Oo nga eh. That's nice kung libre yung wall chargers. So you can just have it installed sa bahay. Hindi ka na magpa-public charging.
Need to be practical eh.
True. Yun yung perk pag pag plug-in hybrid eh.
Yes. Saka good thing, merong plug-in hybrid, hindi lang HEV.
Oh.
Para you have a, para may choice ka.
Oh, you have a choice on whether you want to plug or ano?
HEV.
oh, yun, or use it as a normal HEV.
Correct.
Pero the way I see it kasi parang nakadepende pa rin yan sa ng tao eh. Kasi some people still haven't got their heads around
Yes.
charging sa bahay eh. To them, pasok talaga yung HEV lang. But yung the people who are willing to, change something in their lifestyle na yun nga, magcha-charge sila kada uwi, okay na yung ganito, yung plug-in hybrids.
So it's a habit lang naman. Parang
Yeah, true.
using a phone.
In my case, pag it's become a habit, o pag alis mo bukas, puno na uli. Okay, lalabas ba siya or hindi? Alright. Yes. Kasya ba?
Yeah. You have this 360 camera. Ron!
Daming V8 ah. You guys have 3 pala?
Yes.
Nice.
We're ready. Alright, that's good. I think it's good.
Okay na siguro to, no? Makakadanay na dun. So, Denza B8. I highly suggest consider this for full-size SUVs. Kasi not only is it fast, but it's also plug-in hybrid. This has Android Auto, no?
Yes.
Okay, that's another green flag for me.
CarPlay.
Kasi some Chinese full-size SUVs doesn't have it eh.
Yes.
May ano pa sila yung dongle and stuff.
But
So,
for this, it's a wireless to Bluetooth. So we have this Apple CarPlay. then
excellent.
Android.
Okay. Yeah. Consider this.